Welcome to the lecture series of Computer Fundamental. In today's lecture, we are discussing about the different types of secondary memory. I have already discussed about the magnetic tape, the magnetic drum and the floppy disk. Now I am discussing about the hard disk. So hard disk is most widely used secondary devices in personal computer or in PC. The hard disk is already available, but in some cases we use the external hard disk to store a huge amount of data. Basically here we have a numerous disk which are kept one over the other like a stack, which gives a cylindrical spindle in between, and the data is stored electromagnetically in the form of the concentric circle called track. Then these tracks are further divided into blocks. Here you can see that this is a hard disk drive. This concentric circle are further divided into block. This is called your one block. This is sector and this is the track. Now let's come to the other secondary devices, that is your optical disc. Now with the every application and the software, there is a great demand for the memory capacity. It is very needed to store large volume of data. That leads to the development of the optical disc storage medium. The optical disc is further divided into several categories. Like first is your compact disc, जिसको हम लोग CD बोलते हैं, CD-ROM. Here the CD-ROMs are made up of your reflective metal. The CD-ROM is written during the process of manufacturing by the high power laser beam. However, the storage density is very high, the storage cost is very low, and access time is relatively fast. Each disk is approximately 4.5 inches in diameter and can hold up to 600 MB of data. A CD-ROM can be used only for the read operation. We cannot write or make any changes in the CD-ROM. Now, the other optical device is the compact disc, which is called your recordable CDR. As we have seen that in the CD-ROM, we cannot write anything. We can read, which is already available there. In the compact disc, that is your CDR, these CDs can be used to write data onto them, provided your computer or laptop has a CD writer. In the case of a compact disc, you have a CD where you can store the data and the instruction. The CD writer uses a special laser light to write data onto the blank CD or the new CD. Once the CDR has been burnt, we know that while storing the information, the CDR is first burnt, that is, the data has been written on it. It cannot be modified. The information can be added to it, but the parts that have been burnt cannot be edited. Now, compact disc, here we can perform both read and the write operation. This type of CD can be used for both reading as well as for writing. Here we can also erase the information again and again. Now let's see about the digital versatile disc, जिसको हम लोग DVD भी बोलते हैं. तो what is the full form of the DVD? It is your digital versatile disc. It is an optical storage disc with much larger storage capacity as compared to the CD. A single DVD can store up to 4.7 gigabyte of data. Due to its high storage capacity, the DVD are generally used to store movies and other audio video files. So this is all are your secondary memory, where it is magnetic tape, magnetic drive, floppy disk, CD, DVD, memory. These all are the secondary storage devices. Now let's have some idea about the flash memory. A flash memory is a memory chip that is used for storing and also for transforming data between the computer and the digital vehicle. Due to its high storage, flash memory is basically it is a memory chip and it is used for storage and also for transferring of data between the computer and the digital device. A flash memory is one that retains data in spite of the electricity supply being switched off. Here the flash memory even possible to write even if there is a sudden power cut. Hence it is non-volatile in nature. It is evolved from EPROM, which is your erasable programmable read-only memory, and double EPROM, that is your electrically erasable and programmable read-only memory. But more often it is said to be a distinct type of double EPROM. Here the flash memory is widely used for storage in consumer devices like your mobile phone, USB flash drive, tablet, digital computer and other solid state drives. It is very least expensive form of semiconductor where we have your it is the least expensive form of semiconductor memory. It is non-volatile and consumes very less power. If we see the example of the flash memory, a memory card that we use in the digital camera or in the mobile phone is served as a flash memory. A variety of such cards are available in the market, such as your digital card, lab memory card, multimedia card. Now, the another form of flash memory or the solid state memory is your pen drive. A pen drive is a small portable secondary storage devices which connects to the computer through a USB port. It functions as a portable hard drive where it can be moved easily. This is also known as thumb drives. So this is all about your secondary memory, where we learn that what is secondary memory and what are the different types of secondary memory, its characteristics. Thank you.